This is a step-by-step replacement of the 17-inch MacBook Pro Unibody display. Begin at a clean, well-lit workspace with Phillips and Torx drivers, a spudger, suction cup, and an ESD wrist strap. Remove the lower case screws and lift off the bottom cover to access the internal connectors. Disconnect the battery connector to eliminate power before touching any cables. Unscrew the hinge mounting screws, keeping each screw organized and labeled. Use a spudger to gently unplug the display data and camera cables, noting exact cable routing. Inspect the new display next to the old one and confirm matching connectors and alignment. Route the display cables along the original channels and reconnect them until they seat firmly. Align the display on the hinge posts and reinstall the hinge screws, tightening evenly in a cross pattern. Reconnect the battery, power on, and verify the LCD, backlight, and camera function before final reassembly. Reinstall the lower case, tighten all screws to snug, and wipe the surface clean. Final before and after check shows a bright, aligned display and smooth hinges. Your MacBook Pro is ready.